expression is on the media to a great extent freedom igani. Are we using it wisely or not? China khangdai twini. Anything that is anti-national, India nation against the Bikroda, Mibajiri NSA pan or UAPA pan, any different types of acts pan naga, tuksang naga, internal or national security threat ahead be media. Achakum Kishore Chan, Chief Minister of Tungli, social media li, Chakshilagana ana PA Jaugida. NSA pan laga J. Supreme Court Kashunga, Supreme Court na Jehovah Maui. Media house we through and express Saks Halabaning individual Lagawi. Individual Lagawi, right to freedom of expression, Chikatel Having Juena. Now, what's the issue? The Yahom Kaniradle. God as the witness. Palako. But God is God. We've run it. But you have children to come. You have a family, generations to come. Now thought Punko. I've seen many families perish in my eyes. 30 years, 36 years I see Manipur. Family pull up meet Kaila Tere. Now thought, Pashun such bit me every rangoya. Galay to Migumo. Jikaja me and Kuitugida media Jikaja Punk, evening to be the young Mushan Kuitula. What is religion for? Hirang for Gakishi. What is the reason we are, a community based on religious grounds? It will be conscience. Faith in it will be conscience keeps us alive. Rivrale, you just keep shouting Rivrale. And the media, Michael Nahami had that. You see, what is the truth? Truth is just God. God has, made us the same as Him as we believe. Science and the different theory. But very shitty, it's on the dispute. I challenge. This present day, I'm not interested. I would rather be a Hindu or Muslim or anything. You are 100 times as long as you're a good human being. Media role. It's given, you see in the Bible, Proverbs 17:13. From a Christian family, the Bible, good Bible verse. Proverbs 17:13. If you return evil for good, replies evil will never leave your home. No, you bum jena. It will be with you, it will stay with you. Why is today the Tangkul filled with evil? Any good that anybody does, I have seen so many people do so much of good. It doesn't reflect me personally, it is for people. So since I need something for me, I, me, myself. God never I, me, myself. It is a collective world. Jana, if you give back evil for good, evil will stay with you always. It doesn't go away. Evil. I think I would just say retrospect. As a tankul, you are God as my witness. God as my witness. It is time our people started giving back good for good. Good is the truth. Truth is God. And God is God. Media. Tangkul expressed, you're just a year old now. How far, excuse me, how far Nashina Zatligle Tankul Tonk in the witness nature Rang Bajala. I don't need to elaborate on that. Ka Hili take us a Kijibava. Print electronic media we today one does not even need to be registered. Registration number you know, to be part of media. Governmentally registered numbers, you cannot do anything. Today everything is possible before you. Nashina, thankfully, the one and only channel that is exposing our people to the world. Yarli Okotui Ladekle, he Jang, Giji, Tankul Kuli Ladekle Bingila, Papmagata Bingila, Tankul Tuyen and Natunaganga, Dum Tranjili, Tankul Tui come to a Dum Tranjili, village Avama, Awai Ladekle, Larek Maktam Bingila, Tishok Lady Jang, Hishok Lady Jang, Krajanji Vakashun. The fourth estate, which is one of the pillars of a democracy. He actually media and space God-given right of truth for a person. Good is good, bad is bad, truth is truth, and God is God. It's whom politicians being, or be it the church, or be it bureaucrats, be it judiciary, be it anybody. We're all humans. It is human to err. You cannot escape. You're full of sin. You color yourself totally white, you'll stay white forever. 1 week, 2 weeks down the line, election vote Manipur showcase and Ishinao twins out with the Avana Pang Tadamum 16 lady. And they are Tasara Madame. See, own translations, but it will go away. This will go away. Truth does not go away. God does not go away. Like that, media, we strengthen. It should never go away. You're all young. The only message I can give you, I can't teach you how to do your work or how not to do. But as I said, I think the Proverbs 17:13, keep that with you. And you try. Let evil not be part of your team. Let it never be part of my team is my blessing to you. Let all the good that you do for our people, let it be returned in good, never in evil. Let it be an establishment before our people. It will be Yuru Mangali, TTE when our people were so dark. To the print, to the electronic media, to everybody that are conscious, crucify me, I'm telling you. Go back to my 5 years of MLA. Let the people know. The people should know what I am. The people should know what Reverend Mathotni is. The people should know what Reverend Awasomi Gosomo is. The people have to know. The media it is not to be listening to nice things, but it is to speak the truth. Today, we as a community have failed. And me as part of the political class, we have failed our people. It's me, Baba, community, it's become so difficult. Society, we are rewarding all of the good that our fathers have done with evil. And we expect good to come. When you reward good for evil, evil will always stay with you, it will not go. I wish that evil never stays with your team. And through that, team church, politics, social life, every single avenue. Neutrality maintains the actual concept of media being the fourth estate of governance in India. Fourth estate is long now
Do I fear anything? I do not care. I'm telling you, I really don't care. Crucify me, hang me. If I commit wrong, hang me. Tell my people, I am Hithamiko, Kalimiko, Pophamiko. This is the duty of media. But be careful that you don't damage somebody, for no reason. The only thing you should do is stick by the truth and let the people know the truth, because with the truth is God. This is a God-given nation. Our petty grew 1896, 125 years back. What is the purpose of being Christians? When we have forgotten the entire basis of being Christians and we want a better life. Everybody speaks of Shakis and Shakis and Shakis, but the way towards truth, there is only one path. I kept repeating that all my life. I believe in my father, he is a man of prayer, and I stand by him. I cannot speak about the whole world. My role model. He may be a mistake to a lot of things. You know, there is a starting point and a destination. People just say, as long as you reach your destination, there's no problem. From the beginning till now, and I still say now also, the journey is more important than the destination. How you reach your destination is more important, because how you reach